In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams ringtone. Now, we all know how important it is to make our work environment as comfortable and personalized as possible. One way to do that is by customizing the notification sounds we hear all day, like our Teams ringtone. Whether you're aiming for something that grabs your attention, or just want a pleasant sound that's less jarring, changing your Teams ringtone is a quick and easy way to make your workspace your own. Let's dive in. First, make your way to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll need to sign into your account. This is your gateway to customizing how you experience Teams, so make sure you have your login details ready. After you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three dots, also known as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on this. This is our first step into a more customizable Teams experience. Next, we're looking for the Settings option. This is where all the magic happens, from adjusting your profile to customizing notifications, which is exactly what we're here for. Once in Settings, navigate to Notifications and Activity. This is where Teams allows you to control how you're alerted about different activities and conversations. It's like the command center for managing your focus and attention throughout the workday. Now, for the main event, changing your ringtone, you should see a section labeled Default. This drop-down menu is where you can select your new ringtone. Take a moment to explore the options. You might find something that not only alerts you to incoming calls and messages, but also brings a little joy or calm to your workday. And there you have it. That's all there is to changing your Microsoft Teams ringtone. It's a small change, but in a world where we're constantly navigating between tasks and notifications, personalizing how we receive those alerts can make a big difference in our day. Remember, the goal here is to create a workspace that's uniquely yours, one that supports your workflow and well-being. So feel free to play around with different ringtones until you find the one that feels just right. And if you ever feel like switching things up, just come back to these settings and change it again. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide makes your Teams experience a little more pleasant and personalized. Until next time, happy customizing.